Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar, then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. Then swipe up and choose Home button. Now you need to access devices settings, tap on apps and click on default apps. Following that, click on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher to set it up. Then click on Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my SONY Xperia. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and choosing Xperia Home or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!